Stop by and take a look at the 2023 CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that it offers, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, moonroof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.